Hi everyone, welcome back to Dctuk UK, the home of affordable design, on our Affordable Design podcast on YouTube. Now it's that time of the month again where I'm going to show you our best fitting projects of this month. Last month we showed you some amazing projects and I've got just as good projects to show you today, so make sure you stick around because I'll be going through them right now. Now let's just get cracking with our first project I'm going to show you, and this is actually a residential project done in somebody's garage. So if you're thinking about those garage renovations, then definitely head to Dctuk UK because we have hundreds of flooring options to suit whatever you need. So if we take a look at the before pictures, you can see that this garage is just an empty shell, so it's ready for the flooring to go down. Now this customer chose a really interesting flooring product, and that was the J-Mar Blade Runner Everall Classic in colour black/graphite. Now this is a rubber flooring, so it's perfect for places like garages where you may get some marks because it's super easy to clean and it's also a safety floor. This J-Mark comes in 12 different colours, so amazing if you want to do any sort of designs in your rooms with this flooring. So if we take a look at the after pictures, you can see it looks really clean, sharp and crisp, and it looks so nice and it gives the garage a new lease of life. Now this is fitted obviously by our Dctuk UK fitters, and this was fitted in just one day. This flooring also has anti-slip properties and a 21 dB sound reduction. So like I said, it's perfect for garages where there may be a bit more noise. Moving on to our next project is another residential project. Remember, we do residential and commercial, so any flooring that you need fitting, no matter where that be an office or a kitchen or a garage, then we can do it. Just get in contact today on our dctuk.com website, fill out the form, and that is all you do. It's as easy as that. But moving on to this project, like I said, this is a kitchen. Now we have brilliant before and after pictures in this one, and I know you all love a before and after picture. Well, I know we all do in here. We live for before and after pictures. So let's take a look at the before pics. So this is the before pics of the kitchen, and you can see again it's an empty space ready for the flooring and all the furniture to go down. This customer chose the Forbo Marmoleum in colour Dove Blue. Now this was sold by Noor, our sales representative. So let's go and speak to Noor so she can tell us why she chose this for this particular customer.
Okay, so I've recommended the Forbo Marmoleum because the customer was looking after a marble effect. So I think, you know, it's the best product to use because it gives you that marble effect that that you are after, but also it is a good price. So it allows you to have a marble effect, but also it allows you to not spend too much money on your flooring. And then in terms of the kitchen, it's really, there's a lot of different colors. You can go with any type of kitchen, it's easy to clean, and also the good thing about it as well is that it's slip resistant, so it kind of is the perfect product for the kitchen.
Now let's go to something a little bit different. So this project is actually a caravan. So it's not just homes, offices or anything like that. We can do your holiday homes too. So if you've got a holiday home in need of a renovation, then get in touch today. So let's look at the before pics on this project. So you can see this caravan had worn out beige carpet which needed a bit of life and a new update. So this customer went with our very popular Nouveau Cozy Toes in colour Storm, and it matches the couch and the interior perfectly. So let's take a look at the after pics. Cozy Toes is a perfect option for the likes of a caravan as it's super warm and it will keep the heat in those cold winter months. Now don't forget, on our Nouveau Cozy Toes you can get next day delivery, so if you're in a rush then this is the carpet towel for you. This customer rated us excellent, so 5 stars across the board. Now next we have one of my favourite ever projects, I think. Now this was done in Manchester, and I actually did a video on this which you can go and check out. It was a whole video on this whole project, but I thought I'd bring it up again in this project's video because it's too good not to show you if you haven't watched that video. This was Boutique Offices in Manchester, and they went for a carpet tile that's not actually on the dctuk.com website. So they went for the Shore carpets, which is imported all the way from the US. Yep, so if you want anything that's not on our site, then we can source that for you. It doesn't have to be on the dctuk.com website. It's super luxury, super high quality, and gives the boutique vibe that the office wanted. Now the staff here were so made up with this transformation. We even have a testimonial from one of the staff, so let's take a look.
Thank you so much to DCT UK for the most amazing carpet tiles, all the way from the US. They've completely changed the space and we love it so much.
Okay, and last but not least for our projects of this month is this amazing barn renovation. Now, this was another commercial project. This was done for an energy company down in Surrey. So we fit nationwide, whether that be Manchester or Surrey. Now, because this is an energy company, they're going to need a safety flooring. So these customers went with the Polysafe wood vinyl flooring in colour European oak, and it looks amazing. It really complements the wood background. As I said, this is a safety vinyl, but it also is decorative, so it's not just your plain old boring safety vinyl. It is really nice design. So if you want in design and safety, then this is a good option for you. There's no need to polish this, which is perfect for commercial settings, so it's not as hard to maintain, and it's also slip resistant. So that's it for our top 5 fitting projects this month. Now, was your project featured in here? Let us know. And if you're watching, let us know what your favourite project is. I think mine has to be the American shore carpet tiles. Don't forget to subscribe to us on our Affordable Design Podcast YouTube channel, where we bring more videos like this, and we talk all things interior and give away lots of prizes. So it's something you do not want to miss out on. And the whole point of this video is to show you how amazing our fitters are. So if you're wanting to book our fitting service, then just go to dctuk.com, fill out the form on top, and it will take you 5 minutes top. We'll then do all the hard work for you. If you need any more help, we have an amazing live chat where our sales reps are there on hand to help you, or you can give us a call. So book today on dctuk.com.